Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdul Malik Ismail from Palestine. I just came to Dr. Salman Clinic for treatment because I'm having lower back pain since long. So when I came, I had no experience, but when I came here, I feel the difference in my body. So everyone must come here for better treatment without medicine. So I advise you all, everyone who has body pain, whether it is in the muscles, in the bone, to come here and check it out. So you will be, for sure, you will be very happy. The stuff is really good. The Dr. Salman, he's mashallah very good. And thank you so much.